Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu-alaikum warahmatullah. Today we will learn ha, hamza and ya. Let's start. First letter is ha. It comes out from the lower part of the throat. It is one of the throat letters. Ha. Repeat with me. Ha, ha, ha. Don't say it without jerk during recitation. Next letter is hamza. It comes out from the lower part of the throat. It is also one of the throat letters. Remember, any haraka on alif is same as on hamza, especially in India Pakistani prints of the Quran. A. Repeat with me. A, a, a. Hamza can come on alif, waw, and ya. Don't say it without jerk. It is not same as English a. It is a. The next letter is ya. Makhraj of ya is the middle of the tongue is close to touching the palate or roof of the mouth. Ya. Repeat with me. Ya, ya, ya. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khairan kathira. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullah.